All right, I'm going to set up a fun complex math problem here. It's not really that complex, but it's using parentheses and then brackets outside it. Let's do this experiment in our minds. A non-rectangular hexagon has 5 exterior angles. Okay, measuring this, 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 and this. And notice that it's a hexagon, so there's 6 total, and we know 5 of them. So what do exterior angles always sum to? They always sum to 360. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say 55 plus 58 plus 69 plus 57 plus 55. That'll give us the sum of 5 of the exterior angles. So if we wanted to find out what the remaining, the 6th exterior angle is, we could say, let's do, since they all sum to 360, 360 minus that amount. That will give us what that 6th exterior angle is. Okay? So now we know what that missing angle is. Once we know what that angle is, we can say, okay, oops. Now that I know what that angle is, I can take that amount, and since it forms a linear pair with the interior angle, so we would say 180 minus whatever that 6th exterior angle is. How do we know what the 6th exterior angle is? We did this. We summed up the first 5, and we said take that amount away from 360 to find out what's left for that remaining exterior angle. And since that exterior angle is a linear pair, supplementary, with the interior angle that's adjacent to it, we do 180 minus whatever we get for that angle, and we will find it out. I'm going to let you do that math, but it's pretty straightforward. And since we're using order of operations, the furthest inside parentheses, you do that first, then you do 360 minus that sum, and then once you get that number, you can do 180 minus that. Solve that. See if it matches what you have in your answer key.